Mike from S3 Magazine here. We got another install day going on today. Compliments of our friends over at Exedy Clutch. You guys have seen our 2017 S550 Mustang before, supercharged, all the goodies. This car's been great, but we have yanked the transmission out of it lots of times. The first time, obviously, it had less than 100 miles on it. We threw a supercharger on it and immediately burned up the clutch on the, I think the second pull on the dyno, yanked it out, threw a different clutch in there. Then, of course, me being too aggressive on the drag strip, I grenaded the transmission, had to yank it out and, you know, do some work there. Lately I've been driving around with like my kids in it and just trying to have fun with the car. And the clutch that we put in there, the problem is we went too big, we went too hard. Because basically we had, you know, grand plans for the car. So at first I was like, all right, well, we blew it up with the Vortech Supercharger kit on there. So I want the biggest, baddest clutch we can have. Stage 4, if you want to call it. Obviously we went too far. The clutch
stage
is,
89.
yeah, stage 89. The clutch is great. It holds the power, but it's really, really grabby and it's really hard to slip, which makes it to where my kids get jerked around all over the place in the car and they don't like it. So I want something that drives a little bit better, something that's a little bit smoother, something I can slip a little bit more. So our buddies over at Exedy hooked us up with a new clutch. And by the way, this is Campo. He's gonna be working on the car today. Dude's awesome. I don't know if you guys know about him. He's got an awesome FD right there that he shreds with. But he's gonna tell you a little bit about the clutch.
Yeah, so what we're going to do today is we're going to throw in a street racing Exedy series. This clutch has a lot more centrifugal mass to it, so it allows the clutch to slip a little bit better. Still has that same kind of strong pressure plate to it, so it keeps a good grab onto it. But like I said, having those steel center plate sections allows for more rotating mass, allows you to slip the clutch a bit more, so that way it's smoother while still maintaining great performance and grabbing and putting the power to the ground. It'll just keep you from blowing transmission so much.
Sweet. That's
so let's check it out, and then we can throw it in.
Awesome.
All right, so like I said, right here, what we have is the Street Racing Twin Disc series from Exedy. Typically, what you see on normal twin disc setups, whenever you go, you know, crazy and all out, this center section will kind of be brass or copper, along with the outer ring that holds onto the carbon pieces of the clutch. And on this setup, this is all steel in here. So steel is going to be a lot stronger, but it's also going to be a lot heavier. So there, it's going to have a lot more rotational mass. It's going to take more to slow it down. So whenever this pressure plate goes to grab that clutch, it's going to have more weight that it needs to instantly grab. So that's going to allow it to slip a little bit more before it fully clamps down, thus allowing you to street the car and drive it a lot easier and a lot more comfortably. Now, I believe the pressure plate is the same as all of their other ones, so it still retains a lot of grabbing power and a lot of performance power to it. It's just increasing that center mass makes it just so much more comfortable and easy to drive. So let's go ahead, pull the transmission out, get the old clutch out of there, and then we can throw in this new one from Exedy. Well, that's actually pretty crazy looking. Like, you can't see almost any of the intricacies of there. Like, normally it's like so much more open on your typical clutch, and then this piece in here actually has a part that grabs. So it looks like it has its own disc inside the confinements of here. So I think that it uses this as a slip, like as a secondary disc, and then you have your main disc here. That's pretty neat. That's pretty cool, Exedy.
All right, all finished up. Awesome job, man. I want to give a massive shout out, of course, to our buddy David Campo. Wild Willie's over here at Aikens Ford. This is where we bought the car, so it only made sense to let them work on it as well. Thank you guys so much for letting us use the shop. You guys are awesome. Did a great job. That's the fastest clutch install I've ever seen in my life. So Awesome,
Yeah.
man. I guess we're gonna go mess around with it now.
Heck yeah, man, enjoy it. Yeah, we take pride in what we do, and like I said, if you or anybody else needs to buy a truck or get something done,
Yeah.
you know, send them our way. So, but yeah,
Yeah.
it's a lot of fun to work on this for you, and you know, can't wait to see you go rip on it and see how it does. So,
Awesome, thank you, man.
yeah, thank you. So,
Yeah. Awesome, dude.
go rip
Good to
on
see
it.
you again, man.
You too, brother. It's been a while.
Yeah. All right, so been driving the car around, breaking the clutch in for a couple of days now, and it is an absolute night and day difference. This clutch is like butter compared to the last one. But the last clutch was a good clutch. It held the power. But as far as just drivability goes, I don't know if I've ever done a single mod to a car that gives more drivability than this. I mean, the last clutch was at the point where like I didn't like driving the car because it was just too jerking all over the place. The engagement was too violent. And this one, man, lets you slip the clutch, going into gear. Any gear is no problem at all. And it's super light. I guess I didn't drive because we put the supercharger on and blew the stock clutch, you know, pretty much immediately when the car had like no miles on it. I never really got to drive the car with the stock clutch on it, so we put that larger clutch on there pretty much immediately, and I guess I never really realized how heavy it was until this one went on. I almost thought that like we needed to bleed the line more because the clutch was just so lightweight. But man, I'm going out for a Sunday drive right now, just throwing the gears. This thing is like butter, man. Exedy, thank you guys. You saved me. I was really thinking about selling this car because the last clutch was just so difficult. And now I kind of fell in love with the car again. Thanks, guys.